In this video, we'll be showing the process for fixing an old knife with a broken tip. This knife had an unexpected encounter with a kitchen floor. We're going to reshape and then resharpen on the Inversion Edge Pro Sharpening System by Solid Technics. The first step is to reshape the blade by grinding down the steel on a rough surface. Even though we could do this first step on our beautiful Nanawa whetstone, it would be a shame to use a high quality stone for such a crude task. We are using an inexpensive grinding stone, but you could equally do this on a piece of concrete or a spare brick. By alternating between either side of the blade, we rapidly ground down the steel past the damage and reshaped it into a smooth curve. It took us just half an hour by hand. Now that the shape has been formed, sharpening is easy. With the knife on the platform, fit the Inversion Edge love handle to the 220 to 1000 grit stone. We'll be working on forming the large secondary bevel, so we'll place the flat side of the love handle on the side of the stone we are using, starting with the beige 220 grit side. Make sure that the stone remains wet while sharpening. Just as when we were reshaping the edge, it'll be important to create a symmetrical bevel on this Western style blade by flipping the knife to sharpen either side. We're paying particular attention to where we reshape the blade, since the secondary bevel is being created from scratch here. Once the entire blade has been sharpened to a point, flip the love handle around on the stone to use the 1000 grit side. Sharpening at 1000 grit will prepare the surface of the secondary bevel for the ultra sharp edge that is possible with the 3000 to 8000 grit stone. Check out our guide for sharpening Western knives for instructions on using the 3000 to 8000 grit stone.